In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an ignition coil boot on a Ford Escape. It is located in the engine bay area. On top of your valve cover are your ignition coils. There are 4 of them. They're held on by 2 8mm bolts and 1 plug. To remove your plug, slide the white tab up, then push the white tab down and pull. Remove your 2 8mm bolts. Lift straight up on the ignition coil and out. To remove your boot from your coil, you just want to pull those 2 pieces apart. There's a piece in there that gets replaced. That. You want to install your spring into your coil boot. Big side always goes closer to the spark plug. Push that in and reinstall on your coil, lining up your slots. Once you line your slots, you're ready to reinstall on the vehicle. To install it back onto the vehicle, you want to put your spark plug boot down in your spark plug hole. And push down. Once you push down, align your bolt holes for your bolts to be reinstalled. And tighten your bolts. After you tighten your bolts, reinstall your plug. Once that's clipped in, push your white clip down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.